Green screen is a popular effect on TikTok. It allows you to put any background behind you. To use it, open the app and click the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Tap Effects to the left of the red record button. Tap Green Screen. Upload your background image by pressing the plus sign and select your photo or video. You can also pick from TikTok's library. You'll be superimposed onto the video or photo you selected. You can adjust yourself in the video by expanding, shrinking, or moving your image. If you're recording yourself, you can use the timer feature to select the length of your clip and give yourself 3 or 10 seconds to get ready. If someone is recording you, they can just hold down the red button to record. When you finish with one section, you can pick another background or repeat the process until you're done with your video. Now you're ready to post.